Okay, now here we have some different alphabets in German language. Okay, it was named Umlaut. Umlaut. Okay, the first one is A Umlaut. Okay, A Umlaut. Okay, and it sounds A. A Umlaut sounds A. Okay, for example, ändern. Ändern. Repeat after me. Ändern. Ändern. That means to change. The second one is O Umlaut. Okay? O Umlaut. It's O Umlaut and it sounds a thick O. Okay, please pay attention. Thick O. It should be exactly like epsilon expressed from the bottom of the throat. Okay, pay attention. It sounds Ö. Ö. O Umlaut sounds Ö. Ö. You can pause the video here and exercise. Ö. Okay? For example, öffnen. Repeat after me. Öffnen. Öffnen. That means to open. Okay? And the last umlaut alphabet is U Umlaut. Okay? U Umlaut. It sounds like epsilon, a thick U. Ü. 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 You can pause the video wherever you want and you can do some exercises. For example, here we have üben. Üben. Repeat. Üben. Üben. That means exercise. And the last one, here we have a set. Okay? A set. It sounds like S. Okay? For example, we have der Fußball. Der Fußball. That means football. Okay, now we're starting with the second part, combinations. Okay, what does it mean? Okay, there is some combination between alphabets, okay, in a German language, and they produce a different sound or a voice than the only alphabet. Okay, let's start. Here we have a combination between A and U. It sounds Au. Okay, repeat. Au. Okay, for example, here we have bauen. Bauen. Here we have some combination. Au. The second combination has two forms. Okay, the first one is E und U. Okay, E und U. Please pay attention. They are very, very important. Okay, E U. It sounds oi. Oi. Okay, please repeat after me. Oi. Oi. What do we have here? Heute. Heute. Here we have some combination. Okay, and the next one is the combination between A Umlaut and U. Okay, A Umlaut and U. And it sounds like this combination, the second one. Okay, it sounds oi again. Oi. Der Käufer. Der Käufer. Okay, see, here we have again a combination between two alphabets. And the last one is a combination between A und I. Der Hai. Der Hai. Repeat. Der Hai. Please pause the video and now exercise these combinations. Okay, and here we have other combinations. Okay, here we have a combination between E und I. Okay, please be careful. E und I. It sounds like I. Huh? I. Repeat after me. I. I. Here we have two examples. Okay. Look. Das Ei. Huh? Das Ei. That means egg. Okay? Das Ei. And the second one, please pause the video and try to pronounce this word. Okay. Die Polizei. Huh? Here's our combination. Die Polizei. Die Polizei. That means police. Okay. And the next combination is a combination between I and E. Okay? And we can pronounce it in two different ways. At first, we can say like E, okay? E, a long E. For example, das Ziel. Huh? Das Ziel. Repeat after me. Das Ziel. Das Ziel. Okay, that means a goal. And here we can pronounce it in a different way, like die Familie. Okay? It seems like ie. Okay? Die Familie. Die Familie. Okay. But we have here a question. How we can recognize where should we say E, where should we say ie? Okay? If you check a valid dictionary like Duden, okay, you will see a small line under these two alphabets. Okay? If you see in a valid dictionary, pay attention, a small line under these two alphabets, I und E, you should pronounce it like a long E. Okay? Das Ziel haben wir hier. Okay? But please don't worry about it. Okay? Over time, you will gain this ability to pronounce it in the correct way. And now, we have another combinations between other alphabets. Okay, at first we have a combination between SCH. Okay, it sounds like sh, huh? Sh, strong sh. Die Schule is our example. Die Schule. Die Schule. That means school. Another combination is between CHS. It sounds like X. Okay? For example, wachsen. Huh? Wachsen, it's a verb. Wachsen, that means to grow. Huh? Wachsen. The next one is a combination between C und K. It sounds like K. Huh? It sounds like K. Huh? Das Glück. Repeat after me. Das Glück. That means a chance. And the last one is a combination between TSCH. It sounds like ch. Ch. For example, what do we learn? We learn Deutsch. Das Deutsch. Das Deutsch. That means a German language. Please, pay attention here. We have a combination between E and U. It sounds like Oi. Okay? And we have another combination between TSCH. It sounds like ch. Okay? And here we have das Deutsch. Okay, and here we have 4 other combinations between alphabets. Okay, at first we have a combination between P and F. Okay, it sounds okay, you have to say it like strong F. Repeat. All right. For example, das Pferd. Repeat after me. Das Pferd. Das Pferd. That means a horse. The next one is a combination between P and H. It sounds again like F. Die Physik. Die Physik. Repeat. Die Physik. All right. And here we have another combination between T-I-O-N. Okay? Actually, it's my combination. You can't find it in a valid dictionary. But it's necessary to know that. Okay. A combination between T-I-O-N, it should be like Zion pronounced. Zion. Die Information. Okay? We don't say anymore information. Okay? Die Information. Die Kombination. Here we have it. And the last one is a combination between DSCH. It sounds like J. J. Der Dschungel. Der Dschungel. That means a forest. And here I should add another point. Look, the last combination between DSCH, it used not too much. Actually, it isn't often.